What's going on, people? Sunday morning, sun's out, got the homie Rich, 2 bikes. We're heading somewhere far out. He hasn't told me where we're going. A leather jacket on, 360 camera. Let's get cracking. Where are we going, bruv?
Petrol station first. We go station.
We'll go that one down there. Mobile, keys, helmet.
Comms, man. That's the next station there, man.
We could, yeah, we'll go and have a look at some actually. Right, come then, I'll follow you up. Alright, people, we're gonna go to the petrol station first to fill up, because I haven't seen my petrol light come on in a while. Let's get comfortable on the bike. And I'm doing this for the first time. How easy was that? That we're gonna put on the floor so we don't lose it, and we need E10 petrol. Cool, blimey, that was close. Well, I guess I am going to show you guys me filling up petrol, and we'll see how much this comes up to. Yeah, bingo, I done it. And how much is that? 21 quid. Let's put... I also need to find a wallet now as well. I found it. Look at that, people. Minus that stupid exhaust. I couldn't find my wallet, bro. Do you do full tank?
I've had some in there. Only cost me a tenner.
Number 9, please.
Some mad place to have the GoPro.
It's, I have to put it there. I see people riding around with it up here, and then the view's better as well. It's gonna be fun. Take it easy.
Or I'll stop, and then I'll tell you when to record, because that's where the good bits start.
Oh, okay. I might as well just tell. Right, people, we're gonna hit the motorway, and then I'll bring you guys back in.
One eternity later.
What's going on, people? Welcome back. You catch me somewhere in Alberton. We have, oh, there we go, Chesterfield, A61. We've just come from the A38, all the back roads where there's no speed cameras. I forgot to press record, my fault, my bad. But apparently we're going somewhere which we're not far off. Oh, yeah, there's another biker. Say hello to him. I don't actually know where we're going. He's told me certain parts of where we're going, but not the full story, as in the end location. I don't really care, to be honest. The journey here has been amazing. No cameras, straight line roads, and some twisties. Only one thing I didn't do is press flip and record. I was too gassed enjoying the roads and the weather. Absolute madness. But anyway, we're past Derby. If you know where I'm going, let me know, because I clearly don't. 30 miles an hour. Let's drop down some gears. I've got the heated grips on, even though the sun's out, because again, it's blitz. You could probably tell with my voice. What are those, cows or horses? Those are... I can't see from here. What are they? They are... What are they? I still can't see. I'm like blind. That's a bull. Yeah, whatever that is. It smells of shit. The farm. Oh, there's a horse. Slow down. Turn the volume off. Sorry. We are in some next random village. That's nice. I like these ends. There we go, another bike. The amount of bikers I've seen today, mad. You're not gonna say hello? Well, anyone I see on 2 wheels, I'm gonna say hello, irrespective. Come on. My hands. I already know now, I'm looking at the front of this bike, not that I have yet, but I'll do it with you guys. It's gonna be dirty as hell. My visor currently is basically a murder scene. I dread to think, to see what the front looks like. So much for keeping the bike clean. I felt that front slip a little bit with all this poo-poo on the roads. 50 miles an hour, what am I doing? 30, I'm always doing 30. You know, stay legal and that. Yeah, come on. Get the steps in, get the cardio in. Oh, okay, apparently we're going down there. Wow, that is a view. I don't know if you can see, you clearly can't because I'm not looking at it, but yeah. I kind of know where we're going. We're going sightseeing. Mickley. Wherever that is. Oh, cool, blimey. I just heard some mad vibrations behind me. The White Bear. That looks like a nice little country pub. Another speed camera, slow down. 9 times out of 10 these work as well. Make sure I'm recording, which I am, and I'm not just talking waffle to myself. I think we've been travelling for about an hour. Where are we? We need some signs. So open the visor, get some fresh air. Just giving my bike evils. 125 gang. It's not a bad little bike, that. I actually saw an LXR on the way here. What is in Chesterfield? All I know is Chesterfield is past Derby. This is the furthest I've ever been on my bike. Oh, hello, CMC. Oh, we're here. People, this is where I got my motorbike from. Not this CMC, the CMC in Coles Hill. But, okay. I kind of know where we are. We'll have a look in there on the way back, see what they got for stock. You know, just in case anyone's looking for a bike. Biker behind me. I can't see what he's on. What's he on? A Yamaha MT something. He's on something naughty though. There we go, another one. Jigsaw gang. To bring it down. That is a nice building. Sorry, random segue. I love this building. Whoa, look at that. Look at that, people. This is where he's bringing me. Come on. Look at that. If that isn't a view. There we go. There's a signpost there. Let's see what it says. We are Derbyshire Dales. Welcome to the Derbyshire Dales, people. I finally know where I am. No, I don't. That's a lie. Hello? What was that? TVR? More bikers. What bike are they on? Right, people, look at this. I'm turning the GoPro on. I don't know where I am. Still. I'm following him. Still. Nice views. Thought I'd bring you guys in. Look at that. If that's not scenic, I don't know what is. Look at all of this. Amazing. Sun's out. There's a biker behind me. More of them. There's all of this view. Signs coming up. I think there's a biker behind me with 2 up. He has a pillion. Stockport, Manchester. Where are we? Some random cafe. Oh, the bikes there. Oh damn, Bikers Cafe. Jeez. I'm gonna cut the GoPro off. Oh, there we go, 2 up. I've got Enya playing through the Roo Rock with these views. Come on. Oh, it smells of shit. Loads of bikers. This is the view, people. I have to open my visor for this. Look at this. This beats riding around in the city. For sure. Close the visor. Look at this, people. The views are mad. Peak Forest, we have arrived. Right, people, we've just finished up from Subway. I had to get petrol again. Petrol light came on halfway through the journey. I'm absolutely shitting my pants. What, we hitting the A38, yeah? I did ask them if they had a toilet. They have got one, but apparently it's broken. Oh, here it is. We can't use it, so I'll have to hold it in. Hiya, how you doing?
Not too bad.
Right, here goes. Which way is out? That way? Oh, we can go out that way? Put some gloves on. I don't know what services we're at.
We didn't get a photo together with the bikes back to back, did we?
We'll have to do it back in the ends then. Somehow. Kickstand up, bike on. Heated grips are on. No, let me back up and get out of here. I should have done what Rich done and turn the bike around, but I couldn't be asked. As we've got to the destination, my GoPro decided it didn't want to play no more. So the whole point of the journey was to record when we got to the destination, and the GoPro stopped working. Now we are officially back on the A38, heading back towards Birmingham. So we've got an hour and a bit journey back to Birmingham. Let's get over. So basically, we had gone to the Peak District, but the views that I managed to get was relaxing. It's tiring being on these bikes though. That's what I am going to say. I've learnt that today, definitely. For long journeys, sports bikes, clearly are not the ones. Look at this for a view, people. Not a bad view at all. Oh, hello, S3. And we're moving. My arms, my legs, my back, my neck. Everything is in pain. I can't believe I had to fill up petrol twice. There's no speed cameras here. His bike sounds mad with that exhaust. and mine's pissing me off. I cannot wait for a system to go onto this bike so you can actually hear it. We are officially back on home turf, people. You got an M5. Oh my god, everything hurts. My wrists, they're done. Right, here we go. People, the final stretch. Oh, car coming. Slow down. Now that we have slowed down, we might as well do bike law 101. There we go. That's always going to be done. This speed camera here doesn't work. Yeah, that doesn't work. Slide, get up there.